Hey guys, crypto episode 58. So it's been a pretty good week. Last week's video was filmed on a Thursday before the weekend, and the weekend was pretty good. And then this past week's been pretty good as well. So for the week and a half, I'm up 44,000. So pretty decent. A little bit of news, not anything sort of huge, but Cardano sort of doing pretty well during the week, getting a date for the smart contract hard fork, which I believe is 12th of September, the Alonso upgrade. So I think the token sort of rising pretty much going into this could be a sort of sell the news drop on the 12th of September maybe. Might sort of rise up until then, but pretty good. Going to be sort of trying to rival Ethereum. Obviously Cardano is sort of a slower developer, but we'll see where they go. It's actually flipped as second in my portfolio now. I haven't bought or sold either for a long while, but yeah, it's been doing really well, and it's now my second biggest position. And yes, the hack of Poly Network sort of taken a little bit of a weird turn. I don't know if you've seen, 610 million was hacked by an unknown hacker, and they sort of put out an open letter to him, essentially, sort of saying it's not going to end well for him. They put up some addresses for him to return the crypto, and he or she has done exactly that. Pretty much all bar 33 million worth of Tether, which is frozen, which I guess he's not able to do. He has returned all of it. So, and he's saying that he did it for fun, to expose a vulnerability. So whether he's after a job or something, I don't know. But they're calling him a white hat hacker now. So good for the investors if they get their money back. And very strange one. So it's mostly been altcoins in the last week. Bitcoin doing okay. Everything's sort of taking a little bit of a drop partway through yesterday, and then another drop this morning. Just sort of weekend price action, really. Expect back to normal on Monday. So Ethereum 2%, sort of taking a little bit of a drop this morning again. But Cardano 41% up. So really, really happy with this. This was a sort of just above £1 earlier in the week. So really surprised with that. Oh, it's not. Litecoin 17%. So that's outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. Pretty good. And just to say, Cardano has now dropped back below Ethereum with the drop this morning. Most sort of altcoins tend to drop a little bit harder than Bitcoin, at least, and some harder than Ethereum. So Cardano's back second, but I expect in the next week, if things start pushing up again, Cardano will probably take back the second place. So XRP, Ripple, is the actually main performer for the week, 56% up. Haven't seen anything sort of particularly newsworthy from it. I think this is probably just more sort of thoughts that the lawsuit is going to not really come to much. A lot of reports sort of saying that they seem to have the upper hand in this lawsuit at the moment. Very strong arguments. So, don't know whether that's that. Not selling just yet. Probably, don't know. Not going to keep this forever because I'm not really all that bullish on the project. But maybe £1.50. Might start selling a little bit more. But we'll see. XLM always seems to follow Ripple. So 26% up on the week. Not quite as good, but yeah, very, very nice. OMG, 10% up nearly. So not bad. Tron, 21%. Haven't seen anything newsworthy from them, but it doesn't take a lot to move the token from what I've seen in the past. EOS, 17%. So very good. Most of the altcoins do tend to move when Ethereum's doing well. Basic attention token, 7%. So yeah, Ethereum sort of tends to lead the market, and then you get the smaller altcoins go. So Ethereum's run up was sort of a few weeks ago more than anything. Power Ledger, 4%, pretty good. Dash, it's done very well, yeah, 15%. Very happy with that. Internet Computer, 5%, so about doubled my money on this now, just about £1,400. So I put 750 in, done really well. And then the small caps. So the small caps are now all above £1,000. So very happy with that. I'm trying to think how much I've put in. I think all in all, in these 5, probably put in about £4,500. So yeah, it looks like they're worth sort of about 5,500, just about. So yeah, pretty happy with those. See how they do. Cocos up 12% for the week. Band up 10%. Mostly just sort of moving with the market. New Cipher up 16%. Anchor 10%. And Quantstamp 24.5%. So pretty good. Yeah, so that's portfolio for the week. As I say, up sort of very volatile up and down this morning, but looking good on the week. So yeah, leave your thoughts in comments below, and like and subscribe. See you soon.